The best PC cases can be the perfect jumping off point for your gaming PC build. You can also be the finishing touch that makes your machine stand out from the rest. Your computer case is a lot more important than you think. It plays a critical role in your system's cooling process. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Let's begin our list with the MASTERBOX LITE 3.1 TG Mini Tower Case from Cooler Master. It supports micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards. The case features one 2.5-inch SSD drive bay, two 3.5-inch hard disk drive bays, and 4 expansion slots. A sleek dark mirror front panel and 3 included custom trim colors offer a great first entry point for customization. It supports GPUs up to 15-inch and CPU coolers up to 6.2 inches tall. A space of 0.4 to 0.6 inch behind the motherboard tray offers hidden cable management. This PC case supports up to 3 cooling fans and a water cooling system. Its interior features a nice black coating that allows you to create a great and clean build. Additionally, it comes with an edge-to-edge transparent acrylic side panel to show your internal components. Next up on the list, we have the THERMALTAKE Versa H15 Mini Tower Case. It supports micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards. This mini tower case features a single 5.25-inch external drive bay and 3 internal bays for 2.5 or 3.5-inch drives. 4 expansion slots are also present, accommodating expansion slots including GPUs up to 12.4 inches. CPU coolers up to 6.1 inches are also supported as a standard PS2 or ATX power supplies. It comes with one 120mm exhaust fan installed at the rear of the case, supporting up to 4 additional fans, with 2 mounting positions at the front and another 2 at the top of the case. Featuring a steel frame and side panels, this computer case features a front panel with an easy clean filter. Single USB 3.1 Gen 1 and USB 2.0 Type A ports are located at the top of the case, alongside separate 3.5mm audio input and output ports. Up next on the list, we have the AEROCOOL CYLON RGB Mid-Tower. It is a mid-tower case with an acrylic side window panel and liquid cooling support. This case offers an elegantly designed RGB LED front panel, displays over 13 lighting modes. You can select from one of 6 unique RGB flows or choose from 7 color modes so you can showcase your favorite color along with your style. With additional support for VGA fan coolers and dual chamber design, this case allows for superior airflow and cooling for your system. Plus, it supports SD or microSD memory card and comes with a dual chamber design that provides improved ventilation. The next product on the list is the ThermalTake Core V1 Mini Chassis. It is a compact, ITX-based chassis with a 200mm fan in the front panel. Its smart interchangeable side panels allow users to flip it accordingly to showcase either for liquid cooling or good airflow, which will enable you to make your setup. The upper chamber is made for cooling performance and efficiency, and the lower chamber is made for the PSU and cable management. It has various mounting points that support all types of cooling systems that include DIY, AIO liquid cooling systems, and air cooling units. Plus, it has a removable PSU dust filter, and adjustable shockproof rubbers are built with the chassis' bottom panel to prolong the PSU usage. Meet up the all-new ThermalTake Core X71. It features an enlarged 4mm thick tempered glass window and 2 pre-installed 140mm ring blue fans. Its groundbreaking interior design offers full assembly capacity and expandability for PC enthusiasts to create an advanced or an extensive liquid cooling system. The enlarged window design permits users to display and admire all components of the liquid cooling system fully. It comes with a dual chamber design that offers a tidy looking system by separating the liquid cooling loop and PSU and hard disk drive cages into a different chamber. Additionally, designed with dual GPU placement, the riser GPU support bracket can prevent the graphic card from sagging and reduce the weight on the motherboard. Show off your build with the Window Focus G mid-tower case in white from FRACTAL Design. It's intended to provide ample space and airflow for your components, and this ATX mid-tower case supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. This case also sports two internal 2.5, 3.5-inch bays, plus an additional 2.5-inch mount behind the motherboard tray. 7 expansion slots are also included. This case also fits CPU coolers and ATX power supplies, up to 6.5 and 9.06 inches respectively. Dust filters are present on the top, bottom, and front of the case. Featuring a steel case and windowed side panel, this case also provides 0.71 to 0.98 inch of space behind cable management's motherboard. The front I/O panel includes single USB 3.1 Gen 1 and USB 2.0 Type A ports, and separate 3.5mm ports for audio in and audio out. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the COUGAR MX330G mid-tower case. It features a simple design, with a transparent side window panel for you to show off your system's internals, and supports up to 6 120mm fans for efficient cooling. Inside is plenty of space, enough to fit a standard ATX motherboard, multiple graphics cards, and up to 4 storage drives. The front panel provides access to 2 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 2.0 Type A ports, and audio in and out jacks. Plus, it is equipped with a transparent side panel, which lets you show off your hardware and any LED lighting you have installed. The power supply cover hides the power supply and 3.5-inch drive bays for a more refined and clean look. Moreover, there are plenty of cable management holes to help you keep cables out of the way for better airflow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.